Let me explain the installation to you. We need to press down the outer tube. First, put the small tube in, and insert the spring and the rod. And then push out the rod in the spring, and stuff it to the bottom. It's put in like this. Then slide the slider in, put it behind the notch, and push it to the front. Put the the needle together, and then put it inside. We put the quick release in. Pull the quick release button down. Adjust the slide to cavitation mode, so that the spring does not leak out. Put the small gold needle in the back. The most difficult step is to put in the baffle at the back. It is very difficult to operate. Stuff the baffle at the back.